Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Here's your Weather Xtreme video for this Sunday, February the 6th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and it was on this date, back in 1978, that the greatest blizzard in the history of New England occurred. Over 27 inches of snow at Boston, still their single storm record, even though last Saturday they recorded over 23 inches, which tied their record for a single day of snow in the blizzard of 22. So the blizzard of 78 and the blizzard of 22, pretty close in some comparisons. Nothing like that happening nationally today. We got showers over Florida. We got some snow in the Great Lakes, some breaking out there in the eastern plains of Colorado, northeastern New Mexico. But here in Alabama, high pressure, large and in charge. Starting off chilly this morning, temperatures in the 20s over the northern half of the state, some lower 30s over south central Alabama. But today will be warmer, and that's because of this high pressure system that will be centered near the North Carolina-Virginia border. Southeasterly winds already beginning to pick up, and they'll bring in balmier air than what those northwesterly and northerly winds were bringing us yesterday. High temperatures today across the region be in the lower 50s up near the Tennessee Valley. We'll be in the middle 50s in the I-20 corridor, with some middle and upper 50s, mainly over southwestern sections. Clear skies most of the day. You'll see some clouds appear by afternoon. Not cloudy skies by any means, just partly cloudy at the worst. And tonight, under those partly cloudy skies, temperatures will drop into the upper 20s over northwest Alabama, generally near freezing in the I-59 corridor, and a little warmer to the south. Now, Monday, some moisture begins to work into southeastern parts of Alabama. I think we stay dry across the central and northern parts of the state, but a few showers will develop ahead of an approaching trough. That's the first in a series that will arrive this week. We'll be in the 50s for highs on Monday. Tuesday, the trough sweeps it on out. We drop back a few degrees in temperatures, probably highs upper 40s over North Alabama, lower 50s in the central part of the state, but we remain high and dry. Wednesday, system moving through the Great Lakes, but in Alabama, we're still high and dry, nothing going on. Another trough moving our way by Thursday, beginning again some snows out west, but nothing for us. That system dives to the south. This is Friday. We're still high and dry. No chances of precipitation anywhere in Alabama. Saturday, system moving through the Great Lakes, and another system moving out of the Rockies. And that system's going to be an interesting one. This is next Sunday night. And really, both models, both global models, pick up on the idea that this system could bring through a little fast-hitting snowfall. That'll be interesting to watch. Neither one of them very bullish on accumulation. Matter of fact, here's the European. A little earlier, that's the GFS, about 12 hours slower. This is Sunday on the European, and that looks pretty impressive, but the accumulation's just not that impressive. Then we settle back in for some dry weather, but then I look out again. We've been keeping an eye on this system. It comes in around sometime around the 17th, 18th, or 19th. This is Friday night, the 18th, off of the GFS, showing low pressure there northeast of Memphis, and that would be in a position to cause some potentially strong storms. But probably if it's coming in early on that Saturday morning, the 19th, it won't be any kind of booger bear or anything that we really have to worry about. Just something we'll have to watch. We are getting closer and closer to season when we do see primary severe weather threat in Alabama, even though you can't really pin down any period anymore for just that to be a main severe weather season. That is certainly the primary one. These are temperatures off the national blend of models. We'll be in the 50s today, 50s tomorrow, 50s Tuesday, warming up a bit toward midweek into the end of the week. 64 next Saturday. We'll be looking forward to that. And then temperatures fall off a bit behind that system. Dr. Candace Boyd, our guest on the Weather Brain Show. Monday night, we record live at 7 o'clock. Get it wherever you get your podcast, Stitcher, any iTunes, any of those ways. But a great, fun hour and a half, 2 hours each week with a great bunch of weather brains I'm lucky to even get to be a part of. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday the 6th. I'll have notes on the blog, complete update on the forecast coming up at noon. James will be back with two-a-days tomorrow. Scott will be here next Saturday. I'll see you next Sunday, and until I get that chance, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.